Good morning! Welcome to the episode 2 of my vlogging setup series. Today, sobrang aga kong nagising. It's actually just 4 a.m. We are going to paint yung studio natin. And then, gagawin ko na rin bookshelf yung wardrobe na nakita nyo sa episode 1. Tara! Yung nakikita nyo sa likod right now is a gypsum board. And gagamitin natin siya dun sa bookshelf natin. So, ipapatong lang natin siya sa likod. For 3 different reasons. Yung first reason is easy to install siya. Number 2, fire resistant. And number 3, which is yung pinaka-importante, nakaka-help ng acoustic treatment. Kakatapos lang namin linisin yung bookshelf and I'm heading to the paint center para bumili ng mga pintura. So, yep, I'll see you later. Okay, nandito na tayo ngayon sa paint center and yung kukunin nating finish is flat. Hindi semi-gloss, hindi gloss para hindi tumalbog yung ilaw dun sa studio natin. I just got home from the paint center and yung next step natin is gagawin na natin yung mga dividers with the help of Tito Melchor. I'm in the room right now with Tito Melchor and he's going to help us build this thing. Say hi, Tito! Hi! Okay, let's get started! Okay guys, we are almost done. As you can see, may mga dividers na yung bookshelf. Wala na rin akong damit, kaka-work. Pero we decided na post muna itong bookshelf and pinturahan muna yung buong room. So, tara! Okay, so napinturahan na natin yung room. Ang next step natin with the help of Tito Melchor is putting masilya on the bookshelf. So, tara! Okay guys, I am done for today. Unfortunately, meron pang phase 2. Kasi yung masilyang nilagay dun sa bookshelf, kailangan muna yung matuyog before mapinturahan. But, I think na it's a very productive day spent for me. Kasi nagawa naman na yung mga initial phase, napinturahan na yung buong kwarto and nagawa na yung mga dividers. So, I guess that I'll see you on the next video kung saan yung gagawin na namin yung mga finishing touches. Medyo hinihingal pa ako. But yeah, I'll see you next time on another video. Bye-bye!